Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Buy One, Get One free promotion in Amazon Seller Central. Offering a BOGO deal is a great way to incentivize customers to buy more, move inventory faster, and boost your sales. So, first log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're logged in, go to top navigation menu. Hover over advertising and click on promotions. This is where you'll create your BOGO deal. Once you're in the promotions section, you'll see a few options. Here you'll see different promotion options such as promo code, percentage off, and buy one, get one free. We are going to select this option to create a BOGO deal. Here you can set the minimum purchase quantity required to receive the discount. For example, you might want the discount to only apply if a customer buys 2 or more of a product. Next, choose the ASINs or SKUs for the products this discount will apply to. You can add specific products or select your entire catalog. Select Free in the Buy or Get section. Next, choose the products you want this offer to apply to. You can add specific ASINs. Enter a budget of 50, but this time, set it in terms of the number of orders. Next, in the quantity section, enter 1. This means for every 2 items a customer buys, 1 item will be free. Next, you'll want to set the start and end dates for your promotion. Choose the date range that works best for your campaign, whether it's for a short flash sale or a longer-term promotion. Enter a promotion title for your reference. This is just for internal tracking and will not be visible to Amazon customers. Now you can add a claim code if you want your promotion to be available only to specific customers who enter the code during checkout. If you leave this blank, the promotion will be available to everyone. Next, it's important to decide whether you want to allow stacking with other promotions. For now, I'll select the option to prevent stacking. But if you want to let customers combine this promotion with others, you can choose Stacking Allowed. Where encountering an error with the budget, it's likely because the value entered is too low. To proceed, let's enter a budget value higher than 100. Now, move to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Review button. This will allow you to double-check all the promotion details before submitting it. After reviewing everything, click Submit to activate your Buy One, Get One promotion. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Amazon selling tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.